How much a month do you make?
Approximately 250, something like that. 200 grand per month.
400K per month.
90K a month.
50 to 120K scaling the business and getting it to 500K to 1 million a month.
200K a month with the ecom brand, 150K cash collected with the coaching.
So yes guys, we're in Lisbon and today we're on a mastermind with a lot of millionaires. So we're gonna ask online millionaires how to make 1 million. What do you do for a living?
I have ecom brands. I help other ecom brands grow and then I coach others how to grow ecom brands.
Basically, managing the hands for entrepreneurs.
What do you do for a living?
Currently e-commerce business coach.
Online coaching, consulting, online business.
So I have two companies. One helps people become an online appointment setter, and one helps coaches basically scale their business.
And how much a month do you make with your online business?
Now around 70K and pacing towards the first 100K month. 200K a month with the ecom brand, 150K cash collected with the coaching.
1 million a month.
Well, 100, 200 grand per month.
80K, 90K a month. It's not bad. It's healthy profit.
How did you start with that?
So I started with promoting other people's affiliate products. And then when I got good with that, I went into creating my own product, my own coaching program and selling that.
How did you came up having ecom brands?
I helped others grow their ecom brand. And so I was like, let me take the money I made from doing that and the skills and let me build my own ecom brands.
What is your best advice to people how to make 1 million?
Pick something you're actually good at. Don't just pick something that sounds sexy or sounds cool. Pick something you have results in and pick something you know how to do and you can teach people.
If you focus on the money first without becoming valuable, you don't make the money, nor do you become valuable.
Not be afraid anymore about doing anything in life. And then you can become whatever you want and you can achieve whatever you decide.
You need to learn to be good at two things. Have a killer offer and be good with sales. If your offer sucks, you won't make money. If you're bad with sales, you won't make money.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a closer, and I help closers get better at closing.
I have an agency, I do advertising, YouTube ads.
I am the co-founder of appointmentsetter.com.
I help real estate investors with a step-by-step roadmap,
How much money do you make?
150K per month.
$25,000 a month.
I make between 50 to 120K scaling the business and getting it to 500K to 1 million a month.
50K or 200K depending.
What is your biggest month?
Approximately 250, something like that.
What's your best advice for people to make 150K a month?
Something that adds value to your business so that you increase their revenue. And if you make 100K for a business owner, they're happy to pay you 10K for that.
I would actually just focus on one high-ticket skill, which can be like closing or appointment setting, something commission-based that could really make you bank.
Get a mentor and a good coach because then you can get there faster. Same as real estate investing.
Online you can do so many things. So it's a trap. You need to master really one thing.
What do you do for a living?
I coach people to become freelancers.
I basically teach my clients how to marketing, how to do sales, how to create a good offer.
We are teaching people how to make money online, and we are making a lot of money too.
I run an agency, man. What kind of agency, bro? Instagram content, shout-outs, influencer growth.
I'm a videographer.
How much money do you make each month?
About 10K a month. 40K per month.
About 40K a month.
60K per month.
400K per month.
What's your best advice to make 40K a month?
I started thanks to him. I was a waiter before, so make this question to him.
Switch your mindset from asking yourself how to make money to how to give value, and money will follow.
Focus more on offering value and less on offering services.
Consistency, man. Just focus on one thing. Go all in, burn the boats.
I would say focus on one thing and put all your effort into that and make sure it's something you're super passionate about.
You probably don't need more training, you need clarity. Once you have clarity, you need a path.
I would say to a person that is starting from scratch, be your own superhero. Because if I've done that, you can do that too.
I think that when I was making around 6 to 8K per month, I needed to switch my strategies and then boom. And I started to make 10, 20, 30, 40K per month.
Try to realize that money is everywhere.
If you follow your passion, the money will come.